Hello everyone, it's the last day of the work week, so let's see what this Friday holds in store for us. And the good news is that it's cooling down over the eastern parts of the country for today, especially near the coastline and into KwaZulu-Natal. Lots of cloud over those areas, and along with that, rain expected. This afternoon will still be fairly hot on the Highveld. We are still expecting thunder showers to develop in places, in particular over the eastern Free State and into Gauteng and Mpumalanga. Western South Africa, on the other hand, remains mostly clear, and temperatures will be rising over the Western Cape today. There are two alerts for this Friday. The first is a warning for the high fire danger conditions over parts of the Northern Cape, much of the Free State and into the northwest. And the second alert is the special weather advisory for the continuation of the heat wave today over Western Limpopo and in Gauteng. Although it's cooler by quite a few degrees today, we're still expecting things to be hot enough to be considered a heat wave for the rest of this day. Looking at your rainfall probabilities, and scattered showers and thunder showers developing around Gauteng this afternoon, isolated along our border with Botswana and down into eastern and Mpumalanga. Light rain possible along parts of the eastern coastline and to the interior of KZN. Much of the Eastern Cape is likely to see some rain as well, although around Port Elizabeth clearance will be taking place as the day goes on. A closer look at your temperatures for today, and it remains hot over the northwest, where Freiburg gets to 40 degrees, Pretoria with a high of 35, but we see the cooler air isn't too far away. Ermelo with a maximum of 23, and Bombela much cooler today with a high of 27. Remaining hot for Bloemfontein with a maximum of 36 degrees Celsius, but the cooler air has moved in across the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Along the east coast of the country, mainly light wind conditions for this afternoon, although fresh at first around Richards Bay. The winds will start moderating as the day goes on. Durban, you can expect high tide this afternoon at 6 minutes to 3. It's going to be a hotter day for the Western Cape interior. Oudtshoorn reaches a high of 32, while Somerset East in the Eastern Cape will reach a maximum of 25. Easterly to southeasterly winds are expected for parts of the coastline. Fresh around Hermanus, becoming strong as well around Muizenberg. Temperatures over these areas in the mid to lower 20s. It will be another sunny and hot day for the Northern Cape interior. Carnarvon gets to 34 and a degree higher than that for Prieska. Along the west coast of the country, fresh to strong winds expected for today. 27 as a high for both Lambert's Bay and into Cape Town. Let's take a look at the start of the weekend, and it's going to be cloudy and cooler over much of eastern South Africa, especially over KwaZulu-Natal, where rain is still expected. Thunder showers reaching Bloemfontein, and it remains sunny and hot towards the west.